how to find edits to your page, comments, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find edits to your page, comments, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find this one here, pages, and now select your page and then just click this settings icon here in the top corner and now click this one, notifications, and click on Facebook. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.